Baret?
Baret.
Yeah. So Baret is cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay. In Turkish, sunny.
Sunny, güneşli.
Güneşli.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sun, güneş.
Yeah.
Sunny, güneşli.
Yeah. Okay, in Portuguese, cold. Free. Frio.
Cold. Frio.
The same. Say it. The same.
What country are you from again?
Hungary.
From Hungary. Rainy in Hungarian.
Eső.
Eső.
Heşre. Heşre.
Okay. And in Russian, cool.
Cold?
Cool.
Cool.
Cool is about 14 degrees, 12, 14,
Minus.
plus.
Plus? No, it is not cool, it is warm.
Well, 12.
No. Maybe cool, it is similar, прохладно.
Prохладно.
Cold, it is холодно, and cool, прохладно.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Let's have a quick look at. Okay, so scorching, you'd be looking at 40 degrees plus. Yeah? These are roughly, okay? Because in different countries, there will be different things. Okay. Freezing, of course, means below zero. Yeah? Below zero. Roughly, yeah. Could be a little bit more, could be a little bit less, but approximately. Which is why today, 21 degrees is warm. Yeah? But this morning, it was cool. This morning it was about 17 degrees. So it's cool this morning, but this afternoon and now it's warm. These are approximate. Hello. Okay. Okay. Looking at the bottom of the page, we have 5 photos. 5 photos. Okay. What can you see in those photos? What can you see? The photo on the left. What is that? A hotel. Yeah. Next to the hotel, at the top, what do we have? City with a very big building. Very big building. Below the city picture, what do we have?
Bath.
A bath? No.
No. Below river.
Could be a river, could be a lake. Yeah, it looks like a river.
River.
Yeah. What are the people doing on the river?
Swim.
Not swimming, they're on a boat.
Yes.
What do we call that boat? It has a special name, that boat. Canoe. Canoe. Yeah. If you look next to here, canoeing in the Rockies. The action they are doing is canoeing, The name of the boat is Canoe. So take off
Canoe.
I-N-G, and that's the name of the boat, Canoe. Okay, the picture next to the canoe is the train, yeah. And above the train, a band, yeah, or musicians. Band, musicians, same thing. What instruments are they playing? Saxophone. What's the big one? Tuba. Tuba. Okay. We're going to listen now to two people talking about their holiday to Canada. Okay. You're going to hear from Lara and Tom. So they have just got their photos back about their holiday in Canada. They are looking through their photos and they are telling a friend about where the photos are and what is happening. Okay. As you are listening to their story, I want you to put the photos in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. There is going to be one photo missing. So one extra photo which isn't here. You're going to hear them talking about it, but it's not going to be here. Okay? So you need to number them and see if you can decide what the missing photo is.
Track 77.
Our holiday in Canada was lovely. It was a cross-Canada trip. This is a photo of our train. We were on the train for 10 days. The scenery in Canada is beautiful. This photo. Oh, where was this one, Tom?
This photo was in Halifax. I remember it. Too bad about the weather. It wasn't very good.
That's right, it wasn't. It was rainy all the time there. The houses were lovely though, and the people were very nice.
Look at this one. This was amazing.
Yeah. Where was this? Was it in Quebec?
No, it wasn't. It was Montreal. We were there for 2 days. This city has great jazz concerts.
Who was this musician?
I don't know. I can't remember his name. He was good though. I remember this photo.
This is Toronto. You can see the CN Tower there. The shops weren't open that day, so we were in the park, doing nothing. I wasn't very happy.
No, you weren't. You were miserable.
It was cold.
All right. Next photo.
I love this hotel.
This was in a big natural park. The park is called Banff. It was a perfect place to go skiing. Unfortunately, I can't ski. But Lara's right, the hotel was very good.
There was a jacuzzi in our room.
Yeah, good hotel. How many days were we in this park?
3 days, I think.
Okay. So actually down here there is one extra photo. Okay. Which photo did they talk about first?
Canada.
The train. Yeah. The second photo? No, they didn't talk about canoeing in the Rockies. Canoeing in the Rockies was the extra photo.
Yeah.
Montreal is
The jazz. Yeah. Number 3 was
Toronto.
Toronto, and finally
Alberta.
the hotel. Okay. Okay, we're going to listen to the recording again, and this time I want you to look on the next page. We have a list here of 12 expressions. 12 expressions. It was rainy all the time. the airport, the houses were lovely, bar, 2 days, city has great jazz concerts, shops weren't open, it was cloudy, it was cold, perfect place to go skiing, jacuzzi in our room, and go swimming. Okay. As you listen to the recording this time, I want you to tick the ones that you hear. So only the ones that you hear. So if you hear them say it was rainy all the time, you put a tick next to that one.
Track 77.
Our holiday in Canada was lovely. It was a cross-Canada trip. This is a photo of our train. We were on the train for 10 days. The scenery in Canada is beautiful. This photo. Oh, where was this one, Tom?
This photo was in Halifax. I remember it. Too bad about the weather. It wasn't very good.
That's right, it wasn't. It was rainy all the time there. The houses were lovely though, and the people were very nice.
Look at this one. This was amazing.
Yeah. Where was this? Was it in Quebec?
No, it wasn't. It was Montreal. We were there for 2 days. This city has great jazz concerts.
Who was this musician?
I don't know. I can't remember his name. He was good though. I remember this photo.
This is Toronto. You can see the CN Tower there. The shops weren't open that day, so we were in the park, doing nothing. I wasn't very happy.
No, you weren't. You were miserable.
It was cold.
All right. Next photo.
I love this hotel.
This was in a big natural park. The park is called Banff. It was a perfect place to go skiing. Unfortunately, I can't ski. But Mara's right. The hotel was very good.
There was a jacuzzi in our room.
Yeah, good hotel. How many days were we in this park?
3 days, I think.
Okay. We just do it again, or do we think we've got them all? Okay. Did they mention number 1? It was rainy all the time.
Yes.
Yes. The airport.
No.
No. The houses were lovely.
Yes.
Yes. Bar.
No.
No. 2 days.
Yes.
City has great jazz concerts. Yes. Shops weren't open.
No.
Yes. It was cloudy.
No.
No. It was cold.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect place to go skiing.
Yes.
Good. Jacuzzi in our room.
Yes.
Go swimming.
No.
Good. Okay. Okay. I'm going to get you to work in pairs. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I want you to talk about the questions on page 54. Questions 3 on page 54. Working in pairs, I want you to talk about what the weather is usually like on your birthday, so in your home country. So on your birthday, what the weather is usually like. My birthday is the end of April, and in Australia the end of April it's usually about 19 degrees. Almost always rains on my birthday, but it's about halfway through autumn and we start heading towards winter, so it starts to get quite cold around my birthday, which is really annoying because I always want to do something outside, but it's always raining. Okay. The question, what's your favourite weather? What's your favourite weather? And what weather don't you like? Okay. So you spend a few minutes talking to the person next to you about those questions. a few minutes talking to the person next to you. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You two need to sit closer together.
What's your favorite weight?
It is February.
February.
Yes.
And February in your country, hot, warm,
This is very cold.
very hot,
Very cold.
cold. Do you think
Maybe freezing.
February,
February.
New Year? Snow?
Yes.
No snow.
Ice. This is
Super.
winter.
Similar my country. But little bit more warm.
What's your final budget?
Don't ask me.
Okay.
And you? Just then.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather it is summer. Summer. It is warm or hot. And I love sunny. Sometimes cloudy. Not often. Maybe rain. Or not often. Or, but for me better hot. Hot. I like hot.
I don't like summer.
Your birthday is what month?
My birthday is 13th September.
This is spring.
No, yeah. Ask me. Confusion. My goodness.
September is what? What is the weather?
In September. Okay. In September, in Orenburg, September in Orenburg, it is maybe cold or cool, or maybe about 10 degrees, maybe 5, maybe 10, not often 15 degrees in September.
But
Okay, let's hear what you found out about
Office
your
says
partner.
it's
Okay,
says
tell
it's
me,
hot.
what weather does she not like?
Summer.
She doesn't like summer.
Absolutely.
Why doesn't she like summer?
Because in your country it's very
In her
hot.
country?
In
Spring.
in
No.
her
No.
country it's very
September,
hot
autumn.
and rain.
And rainy. Okay.
Ah,
What weather does she not like?
that is maybe.
Let's say in summer.
For the same reason?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What's the weather like on his birthday in his country?
Warm.
No, his birthday, the weather. Rainy. Your birthday? Yeah. What's the weather like on his birthday?
Cold.
Cold. Yeah. Okay, over here. What's her favorite weather?
She's favorite weather.
Her favorite weather is?
Her favorite weather is sunny
Yeah.
and hot temperature. Warm.
Warm. Yeah. Okay. What's his favorite weather?
His favorite is sunny and warm.
His favorite
Same.
weather? Yeah. Is sunny and warm. Okay. Not to confuse weather and temperature. Temperature is just the numbers. Temperature is just the numbers and the description. Weather is all of it. Okay. What weather doesn't she like?
Yeah, ice.
She doesn't like ice. Okay. Ice. How often do you get ice in your city? When do you get ice in your city? In January. Yeah. Okay. What weather doesn't she like? Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't like winter because it's cold. Okay. What's the weather like on his birthday?
His birthday is September, and there is rainy.
It is rainy.
And cool.
Okay. What's the weather like on his birthday?
His birthday is February, and your country in
In his
February.
country?
In his country in February. Cold.
Cold.
Cold. Maybe sometime freezing. Yeah. Or sometime freezing. And snow.
Okay.
But what he hot.
He likes hot weather. Okay. So you don't like summer. What season is your favorite season?
Spring.
Spring. Why do you like spring?
Well, my city is near the Cancun,
Yeah.
and spring is a spring break.
Spring break. What happens in spring break?
It's party
Lots
all
of parties.
day.
All day, all night.
Yes.
For how many days?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
No, yeah, 2 weeks.
2 weeks, party all day, party all night.
Yes.
No sleep. No sleep for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So in spring, what's the weather like in Cancun?
Wait.
Wet? Wet? How can you party
No,
if
no,
it's
no.
wet?
Hot.
Hot.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And you don't like summer either. What's your favorite season? You like winter? Yeah. Okay. What's winter like in Thailand though? Not very cold.
Yeah. Maybe it's called December.
Yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit cold. What do you call a little bit cold?
22.
22?
Oh wow.
Yeah. Yeah. But cold for you. Yeah. This is what I'm saying is that in different countries these numbers change. Yeah. Because you don't get 12 degrees in Thailand.
No.
So if it's cold, it's here.
Yes.
Yeah. And if you're somewhere really, really cold, you're not going to get 28 degrees. For you, hot is going to be 12 degrees. Yeah? Okay. Okay. What season do you like the most? Summer, autumn, winter, spring? Winter.
No,
You like winter when it's cold?
cold.
What time of the year, what month is winter in your country?
Maybe 2 months.
2 months? Which months? Yeah. What 2 months?
The north, every day with.
In the north, every day is winter.
More and green and the tree.
Yeah.
But central October very hot.
Okay. In winter, it's still hot. Yeah. Okay. In your city, in winter, how hot? Or how cold? How cold is your city in winter?
Now and
Not now. In the middle of winter.
now start with cold.
Oh, the cold is starting
Yeah.
now. Okay. How many degrees?
Maybe 6 months and that's enter hot.
Yeah. How many degrees?
Cold and freezing.
Oh, so very cold. Yeah. Okay. What season is your favorite?
Winter.
Winter?
Yeah.
So winter in Thailand?
Yeah.
Not winter in London?
Thailand.
Yeah. Okay. Why do you like winter in Thailand?
It's not hot.
It's not hot. Yeah. And it's not humid.
Yeah.
So it's not wet. Not sticky. Yeah. Okay. Is it windy or no wind?
Maybe sometimes.
A little bit.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Do you get strong wind? Typhoon, monsoon? No. No strong wind. Okay. Okay. What season's your favorite?
Favorite season?
Season.
Season, yeah. My favorite season is autumn.
Autumn? Yeah. Why?
Because not cold and not cold, warm and cold.
Yeah.
And under the tree, yellow and red.
Yeah.
Yellow,
So the trees change colour. Yeah, the leaves.
Yeah,
Yeah.
leaves.
Yeah, that's,
I like.
yeah. Autumn is my favourite for the same reasons. I like one day to be hot, one day to be cold, one day to be warm, one day to be cool. I like that winter, that autumn changes all the time. And then you get all the colours of autumn. I love the colours of the trees. And you can sometimes get nice clouds in autumn as well. So yeah, it's a very beautiful time of the year.
Yeah.
Okay. Your favourite season?
In Colombia, it doesn't season.
Everywhere has seasons. Everywhere has seasons. Yeah. So, which season? Even if you only have 2 seasons, you still have seasons. You can't say doesn't have season. Doesn't have season means there's no weather. Because I know that some parts of the year in Colombia it's colder. Yeah, they're your seasons.
Summer.
Yeah. So basically you have a summer and a winter. Yeah. Like in Thailand, 2 seasons. Yeah. Summer and winter. So yeah. Probably in your country as well. Summer and winter only. No autumn, no spring. Yeah. In the north of Australia, summer, winter. No autumn. Yeah, summer, winter, 2 seasons. Yeah. They say that where I'm from in Australia, we should have 6 seasons. Yeah, because the weather changes not every 3 months, but every 2 months. The weather is different. So we should have 6 seasons. Yeah. Okay.
My favorite season is summer.
Summer. Why?
Because I'm going to the beach.
Yeah, so let's go to the beach. Your favorite season? Autumn. Because? Yeah, same reason. Yeah. That reason is? Yeah. Your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Summer. Because?
I like beach and my friends go to Lake Balaton.
Yeah. Is that where you go swimming? Is that where you go swimming, Lake Balaton? You said you like the beach, so you go to the beach
Yeah.
at the lake? Or do you go further? Do you go to the Mediterranean or the Black Sea? Where do you go to the beach? Where is the beach? Yeah, there's no sea in Hungary. They have a big lake. They have a big lake. Yes. So you go swimming in the lake. Yes. But do you go to Croatia or Bulgaria to go swimming? Anywhere like that? No. Only in the lake.
Yes.
In Hungary. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. And for you, your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because winter is very cold.
Yeah.
Autumn and spring it is very rainy, and summer is only maybe 2 or 3 months. It is very good weather. It is not rain. It is sunny and hot, sometimes warm, and I like with my friends go natura outside our barbecue
Yeah.
and very good weather.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to time. I want you to have a look at page 60. Page 60. Okay, looking at the past simple was, were. Okay, so the past simple of to be is was or were. Okay, I was in Canada, we weren't in a lovely hotel. Okay, I'm going to get you to read the examples aloud. Okay, I'm going to read across. So the first one, like this. Okay, the first one here, I was. Yeah, just the example.
And I was in holiday.
On holiday.
On holiday.
Yeah, okay, next.
He was you on holiday.
He, she, it. Yeah, okay. Depends on whether we're saying yes they were or no they weren't. Was means yes, wasn't means no. I was on holiday, yes I was on holiday. I wasn't on holiday, no. Okay. So he, she, it,
He, she was.
or
Was on holiday.
good. Okay. Next one, you.
You were on holiday.
Good. Or you weren't on holiday, depending on if it's yes or no. Next one, we.
We were on holiday.
Yeah. Or we weren't on holiday. And
They
yeah,
development positive.
yeah, make it up with it. Yeah.
They were on holiday and they weren't.
Good. Okay. So you see the difference there. Yeah. We have was for I, and was for he, she, or it. Yeah. We have were for you, we, and they. Okay. And then in the negative, was becomes wasn't, were becomes weren't. Okay. If we're asking a question, was or were is the first word. Okay. Can you read out the first example for me?
Was I interested?
Good. The second example was?
Was he interested?
Was he, she, it in Toronto? Good. Okay. And the next one?
Were you in
Good. Okay. And then we have a short answer to this question. Okay. We've got a few different combinations here. The first one.
Yes, I was.
Yeah?
No, he, she, it wasn't.
Good.
Ah, yes,
So,
wasn't.
yes, I was. Yes, he, she, it was. Yes, you, we, they were.
Yeah.
Okay. But for no?
No, no, I wasn't.
Good.
No, he, she, it wasn't.
Good.
And no, you, we, they weren't.
Weren't. Okay,
Right.
good. Okay. So you can see the pattern that happens there. Okay. Looking at the past simple regular verbs there, for most regular verbs, we add an ed to the verb for the past simple. Okay. So you see there, he closed the door, he walked to work, he started work at 9 o'clock. Okay. Turning back to page 55. Okay. Looking at the sentences there in number 1 below the grammar box. Read the sentences, then make answers with the words in brackets. Okay, so the first one has been done for you. We were in Dublin, and the word you have to use is Glasgow. Okay. No, we weren't. We were in Glasgow. Okay. See if you can do the other 5 there, working in pairs. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. The 5 there.
Okay. The hotel. The hotel was expensive.
With all of them, you need to say no. They're all saying no to them.
There was expensive.
Okay. Hotel was expensive.
There was expensive.
No. No. It was. No.
We were.
No. No. It wasn't. He really.
It was in private phone.
No. It wasn't. It was.
Shop running.
Yeah.
Shop is under it.
It was.
Wasn't.
Quiet.
Shops there.
Plural. Yeah.
Right. Okay, no. Ask me. What? Okay, ask me. Oh, yeah.
It was 7 and 1.
No. No, the weather is rainy and cold. Ah. No, wasn't. No, wasn't. The weather is rainy and cold. Okay. Out to read. Out to read. Understand. No. It was it? It was Scottish.